All right, today we're going to be working on middle sounds. So what we're going to look at here is changing the middle sound. It's going to be a random sound. So first we're just going to practice sounding out a word, focusing here on that middle sound. So let's find what middle sound we're going to use. All right, now let's sound it out. B, a, d. What's the word? Bad. Okay, let's try this one. Here we go. We made a nonsense word. Here we go. K, I, b. What's the word? Kib. Good job. How about this one? Up. Try again. Oh my goodness, one more time. All right, here we go. K, a, p. What's the word? Cup. How about up here? Here we go. B, a, t. Bot. Nice. Let's try changing up this middle sound. We made another nonsense word. Here we go. K, I, mm. Listen again. K, I, mm. Kim. All right, last one. Oh, this one we've all got. I'm not going to sound it out. What word is that? Cat. Good job. At cat. All right, now let's see if we can find the middle sound in this game. All right, this is the word bat. So what is the middle sound? Let's tap it out. B, a, t. What sound is in the middle? Is it E, I, or A? B, a. I hear the ah sound. Which letter says ah? A. Let's see. We got it right. Okay, let's try this next one. This is a cat. Sound it out. K, a, t. What sound is in the middle? Is it U, O, or A? K, a, t has ah in the middle. Good job. Okay, let's try this one. How about bug? B, a, g. What's in the middle? Which letter says a, b, g? U. Okay, how about this cup or mug? Either one would have the same middle sound. Ugh. Do you think it's U, A? I'm sorry, that's an O, or A? Did you guess U? That's correct. How about this wig? You try it. Say the sounds. Which one's in the middle? Did you say W, I, G? Which letter says I? I. All right, last one, we have a hat. Which letter is the middle sound in hat? You try it. Let's sound it out. At. The ah sound is in the middle, so which letter should I pick? The A. All right, boys and girls. Today you're going to be working on a worksheet. Oops, I'm on the wrong page here. There we go. What you're going to do is you're going to put the middle sound in the middle box. That's why it's there. You're going to type on this page, or you can print it out and do it yourself. You're going to think about what this picture is. This one is a net. You're going to say the sounds n, et, and you're going to type the letter that belongs in the middle. Good luck, boys and girls. Do your very best work.